Hi, I'm Eric, City Electric Motor and Pump. Welcome to Paris, Texas. I normally work on electric motors and pumps, but now we've expanded our business into the power washing industry. We're so excited here at City Electric Motor and Pump to partner with DirtKiller and Kranzle. To me, they are the premier power washing unit. So we're going to carry the full line of accessories and parts to take care of all our customer needs. So let's go inside and see what we already got. This is one of the things we're really excited about here at City Electric Motor and Pump, and that is the Kranzle 1122 TST. Let me share a couple of features that what we like about it and think that it sets apart from the competition. A couple of things. Love the reel. No more trying to do this. We can reel it up in a neat, orderly fashion. The second thing, it has a self-priming pump on it. What that means is that you can use any water source. You can drop a hose in the river, you can drop it in your feed trough, you can drop it in your swimming pool, whatever, to get water. It does not have to have a direct connection to your water hose at your house. It can be used anywhere. The other thing is this turbo nozzle. You'll love this. You can go visit the website to learn more about it, but this also comes with this model. I would also like to share a great accessory for our car detailing guys. Comes with a small gun, comes with a foam cannon, and I'll also throw in Holy Grail, which is wash and wax. I'll give that as part of this kit, which is extra from the 1122. Here are some of our product lines that we carry and some of the chemicals. This is the car wash, including the car, tire rim. Here's some stuff that cleans your concrete. Here is the Boss and the Power Bolt. We use both of these products here in the shop to clean our motors and pumps from oil, grime, grease, dirt, sand, gravel. So the Boss, eco-friendly, which I like to use around here in the shop more than I do the Power Bolt, but it'll work both the same. We also have an accessory that keeps spray from coming back on you in case you're cleaning concrete and surfaces of sort. So come on down, see me, Eric, at City Electric Motor and Pump, where we sell the best and service the rest.